If you've ever landed on Epic Games in the wrong language and wanted to switch it back fast, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change the language on the Epic Games website in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is useful if the site opened in the wrong region, if you want to browse in your preferred language, or if you just need a quick fix before signing in or downloading a game. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software and gaming how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. You can type epicgames.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top right corner of the page. Right there, beside the sign in button or the download button, you should see a globe icon. That globe icon is what controls the website language and region options. Now click the globe icon once. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of available languages. This is where you can choose the language you want Epic Games to display. Scroll through the list if needed, then click on your preferred language. As soon as you select it, the page should refresh or update automatically to show the site in that language. If the site doesn't change right away, give it a moment to load. In some cases, your browser may need to refresh the page for the language setting to fully apply. You can also manually refresh the page if needed. Once the page reloads, the Epic Games website should now appear in the language you selected, making it much easier to navigate the store, sign in, and manage your account. If you're trying to match a specific region, remember that language and country settings can sometimes affect how the store looks and what content appears first. So, if you ever need to switch it again, just come back to that same globe icon in the top right corner and choose a different language from the list, and that's really all there is to it. You don't need to install anything, you don't need to change complicated account settings, and you definitely don't need to contact support for this basic change. Just go to the Epic Games website, click the globe icon, and pick your preferred language. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.